Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address within your Quizlet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you'll end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to change your email address that you are using for your account, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From the profile page, tap on your settings and you will now see your email. Tap on your email and you will first be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. After typing in your password, tap on the submit button and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new email. After entering your desired new email address, tap on the save button and now you will be asked to check your new email for confirmation. So just check the inbox within your new email address and you will find an email from Quizlet. Open up this email and tap on confirm new email and now your email address will successfully be changed within your Quizlet account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on your Quizlet account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.